test drive the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, luggage rack. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.